MLA jongga NPP na East Shillong constituency bat ka menteri beri khmi ikatanat kamrap bat katanat ka koi ka khia ka sarkar MDA2 ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo kala kentu yo president ka Voice of the People's Party baru MLA ka nongkram uba Ardent milla basayomoj bo un Sngewbha ban sangeh no ekane jingakhi dawa penbet ya ka reservation policy da ka basha thngan klembu por bat bo un wan sa ka miej ïakren. Kalau ong boba Ardent udai benwan sekami ïakren banyatai watla kalau ong bakam kular bakat bau ong pat anle lut. Kalau ong ru bahab ban Sngewbha ya ka e jing ang nut jong u bat la daw sangeh e jing yakhi da ka basha thngan kan long ka babha shibun.
So at this point of time, I just request the honorable legislator Ardent Masayomoj representing the Voice of the People Party. Please come to the negotiation table. Let us discuss this matter. Bring me what you want us to get done. I cannot promise Baba Sayomoy that yes, whatever he says will get done, because I first have to understand what he wants. And I feel that if he stops this strike, this hunger strike, I think it will be good for everyone, and we can also therefore get together and discuss this matter and see how best we can get beyond this without harming any one of the communities, because we are Meghalaya. There are three communities in this state. We would like to safeguard everybody's interests. Please, Ardent, come to the table. Let's talk.